The Oriental Skylark, Alauda gulgula, also known as the small skylark, is a species of skylark found in the Sino-Indian region and parts of Central Asia. Like other skylarks, it is found in open grassland where it feeds on seeds and insects. Oriental skylarks are about 16 centimeters, 6.3 in, long. They have streaked, yellow-brown upper plumage, with white outer tail feathers and a short crest. Both sexes are similar. The Oriental skylark differs from the Eurasian skylark in several aspects. It is a smaller size, with a longer, more pointed bill. The outer tail feathers are more buff, and it lacks the white trailing edge during flight. This lark breeds across the Sino-Indian region and parts of Central Asia. It winters in the southern parts of its range. It is usually found in open areas with short vegetation, such as grasslands, marshes, the edges of lakes, etc. It feeds on seeds and insects. It avoids forested areas, though it may be found in large forest clearings. These skylarks frequently rocket up into the sky, fluttering and singing before descending down to earth. Male Oriental skylarks may also hover in the air and sing. In order to attract a mate, the Oriental skylark was described by the English soldier and naturalist James Franklin in 1831, and given the binomial name Alauda gulgula. The meaning of the specific epithet gulgula is uncertain, but is perhaps a reference to the song, as gula is Latin for throat, or maybe the color of the gulgula, or a sweet which looks like donut, made in many parts of central India. Other alternate names for the Oriental skylark include Eastern skylark, Indian skylark, and lesser skylark. Role in the ecosystem. As an omnivorous bird, the Oriental skylark plays a beneficial role in maintaining the balance of local ecosystems by feeding on a combination of seeds, grasses, and insects. It helps control the growth of certain plants and keeps insect populations in check. Their droppings also contribute to the fertilization of the soil. Interesting facts. Song variations. The song of the Oriental skylark is not only a tool for attracting mates but also serves to establish territorial boundaries. The variety of sounds it produces, including trills, whistles, and chattering notes, can vary widely between individuals and regions. Symbolism. In many cultures, skylarks are associated with joy, freedom, and poetry. The bird's song, often heard in the early morning hours, is a symbol of peace and the arrival of daylight in various literary traditions. Cultural significance. In parts of India and surrounding countries, the song of the skylark is admired and is a part of rural cultural traditions, often referenced in poetry and folk music. Overall, the Oriental skylark is a charismatic and ecologically important species, offering both beauty and function in its environment. Its melodious song and fascinating behavior make it a favorite among bird watchers, especially in its native range. 4.0 Mini